Hello YouTube, we're going to test the wood stove. We got some twigs a little smaller than that and up that size with some wood chips on the top. We're going to see if we can get this to light. We just can't get to the store to get some of that charcoal, but hang in there. We'll get this thing to burn. There was not even a breeze when I lit that. Now the wind's picking up. We're going to try to boil some water. We got sticks, charcoal, wood chips. We're trying to get a good bed of coals down on that thing and see how hot we can burn it without hurting the green paint on the bottom. So stay tuned. This is exciting. Well, it's something for me to do. It is nice out. It's only like 65 degrees. We had a cool down last night. Don't know what's going on. We're getting some fire down below. Some sticks must have fell down, but we'll see. I said the grate, I hope the grating didn't fall down. We're not going to get out of the chair yet. We'll wait a couple seconds. Okay, we're trying to do this just on charcoal. We don't want to boil the water on the flames. We want to do it on the charcoal. So see how it's glowing down in there? We're going to attempt to put the water can on here, about a cup of water. This is a beef stew can. See that? Fits perfect on there. Turn around so it looks a little bit nicer. There you go. We're going to go sit down and see what happens. While we're waiting, I want to show you the difference in these tanks. This has probably got those 4 bumps on the bottom, so mine may be an older one. You may have trouble finding a tank like mine. I would still find a way to make one out of these. I wouldn't use the plastic though. I'd find maybe a way to hold it a little bit better. It's possible. Because you can do whatever you want once the tank's empty. You could weld feet on this. There, that's a newer one. Just came from a dollar type store somewhere. Well, we're just not going to get this to boil today because the wind picks up. But I did show you can make some hot soup on it. I'll take the can off and show you what the coals look like. The whole idea was use charcoal so it's smokeless fire once it's burning. Okay, there's my charcoal, and it's hot. I mean, you don't want to hold your hand there very long. So thanks for watching. I'm going to sit here, and if it does boil, I'll add one more clip. Look at the end. I've got some different clips with it, smoke rolling out with wood chips in it and stuff. I'm sitting back in the shade and zooming in on it with the camera. So we're out of here. It's finally warming up today. Weird, 100-degree temperature, and then it gets cool out. Thanks for watching.